What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And first of all, the previous video is already at 100 likes, and remember we said that if it hits 100 likes then I'll be dropping another type of video, and here we are. So thank you very much, and remember, if you're new here, hit like on the video, drop a comment, subscribe as well, so that you can be able to get more of these videos as time goes by. Let's record that. We do a BPM of 70.
Riccobeatz, Mr. 808.
Thanks for watching. The beat is called Wakali and it's available for download or purchase on my website. The link is down in the description below. By the way, you can just join the 808 community membership and you will be able to use these beats. Like, you'll be able to get the rights to use them commercially. And if you want to get information on how to join, just holler at me via WhatsApp or message or call me via the number below. So simply, the 808 community contains packages that you choose. There are 4 different packages, and now based on the package that you select, you'll be able to get those beats plus more other elements like the 808 Freestyle Fridays, which comes as a bonus of membership, and so many more. Thanks for watching. Let's get it. Bless up.